Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. It's a hectic weekday evening, and instead of slaving over the stove or ordering takeout again, you toss in your ingredients in the morning, set it and forget it, and come home to a house filled with the mouth-watering aroma of tender pulled pork or creamy potato soup, all without a single stir or spill. Sounds like a meal miracle, right? Well, today we're simmering down with the GreenPan Elite Slow Cooker, and let me tell you, this 6-quart programmable wonder with its PFAS-free ceramic insert could turn your meal prep from stress to success. If you're over watery stews and old crocks or worried about chemical coatings in your food, hang tight. By the end, you'll be ready to slow cook your way to Flavor Town. And hey, snag it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's heat it up. First off, let's break down the features that make the GreenPan Elite a slow cooking superstar. This isn't your grandma's basic crock. It's a 7-in-1 multi-cooker in a sleek stainless steel body that's about 14 inches wide, 10 tall, and weighs around 15 pounds empty. Sturdy but not backbreaking to move. The heart is the 6-quart removable ceramic insert, diamond-infused and completely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so it's safe for your family and the planet. No toxins leaching into your chili. The non-stick surface means food slides out effortlessly, and it's dishwasher-safe for cleanup that takes minutes, not hours. Programmable controls are the game changer. A digital LED display with buttons for low, high, warm, and a full 17-hour timer that auto-switches to keep warm when done. No overcooking disasters. It has 3 main slow cook settings, but the multi-functions kick it up. Sear or saute right in the insert on the stovetop. Yes, it's stovetop safe on gas, electric, or induction. Steam veggies in under 30 minutes with the included basket. Cook rice perfectly for 4 to 6 servings. Yogurt mode for homemade batches that set overnight. Bake small casseroles or cakes, and even sous vide for pro-level tenderness without a water bath setup. The tempered glass lid locks in moisture with a clip, and the insert's handles make lifting a breeze. Power is 625 watts, heating evenly from the sides and bottom. No hotspots scorching your beans. Includes a recipe book with 30 easy ideas, from breakfast oats to dessert dips, and it's BPA-free throughout. I prepped a beef stew at dawn, seared the meat first, and it was fall apart ready by dinner. Juices locked in, flavors popping. Overall, it's versatile enough for weeknights or weekends, fitting seamlessly on your counter without dominating space. Now, on to the pros and cons, because real reviews help you decide if it's your kitchen sidekick. Starting with the wins. The PFAS-free ceramic insert is a massive health boost. Users rave about cooking without worry, and the non-stick means no stuck bits, cutting calories since you use less oil. Multi-functions expand your options. I steamed broccoli crisp tender while the rice cooked below, and yogurt came out creamy without a separate machine. Programmability is spot on. The timer and auto warm saved my pulled chicken from drying out, and the digital display is intuitive for beginners. Even heating delivers tender results every time. No mushy edges or raw centers, and induction compatibility makes it a dream for modern stoves. Cleanup shines, insert pops in the dishwasher, wipes clean with soap, and the exterior stays fingerprint-free. At around $120, it's a steal for 7 modes in one, plus the recipe book adds value. Families love the 6-quart capacity for crowds, and the stay cool exterior prevents burns. Bottom line, it simplifies life, amps up flavors, and feels premium without the premium price. On the downside, cons to flag so you're not caught off guard. It's pricier than basic slow cookers at $120, which might sting for occasional users, though sales dip at under $100. The ceramic insert, while tough, isn't metal, so no direct oven use. Stick to stovetop for searing, and a few noted at chips if dropped hard. Controls are simple but lack a delay start, so you can't prep the night before without a timer plug. For super large batches over 8 quarts, it's not ideal, and while multifunctional, it doesn't pressure cook like an Instant Pot, slower for some tasks. A handful mentioned the lid clip feels flimsy after months, and on low, it can take longer than expected for thick stews. Not fully nonstick on high heat saute if overloaded, needing a spritz. Still, these are minor for most. So, do I recommend the GreenPan Elite Slow Cooker? You bet, especially if you want healthy, hands-off cooking with versatility for busy days and your crew loves hearty meals. The pros like safe nonstick and multi-modes far outweigh the cons for home cooks ditching single-use appliances. It's ideal for apartments, meal preppers, or anyone craving set-it-and-forget-it ease. If that's you, click the link in the description right now to grab it on Amazon. Best prices and deals are waiting. Before we cool down, if these kitchen hacks keep you coming back, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more tools that make life tastier. And seriously, use that affiliate link below. It fuels the fun at no extra to you. Finally, a quick reminder, grab the GreenPan Elite through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for joining, team. If this stewed up some ideas, give it a like, share with your foodie friends, or subscribe for more. Happy slow cooking.